Hello everyone. In recent weeks, central Portugal has been hit by a series of devastating winter storms that have caused serious damage and disruption. It began with Storm Kristin, which brought record-breaking winds and heavy flooding. Shortly after, Storm Leonardo caused intense rainfall, leading to deadly floods and forcing thousands of people to evacuate their homes. Most recently, Storm Marta brought more torrential rain, adding to the destruction. The impact has been severe. There have been multiple fatalities, widespread flooding, and major infrastructure damage. Part of the main Lisbon-Porto motorway even collapsed. Several municipalities declared a state of calamity as emergency teams worked to respond to the crisis. In response to this disaster, the AKDN Foundation, with support from the Ismaili Imamat, has announced a donation of 1.5 million euros to support recovery efforts and long-term climate resilience in central Portugal. Out of this amount, 1 million euros will directly support the Portuguese government through the mission structure for the recovery of the central region. This funding will help rebuild infrastructure and restore the social and economic stability of the affected areas. An additional 500,000 euros will focus on education. The program will help schools reopen quickly by replacing essential equipment and materials. It will also provide direct support to families so children can return to safe and stable learning environments. At the same time, the initiative includes an environmental focus. Microforests will be created and school green spaces will be restored using native and climate-resilient plants, helping communities prepare better for future climate challenges. The AKDN Foundation will oversee the implementation of the program in close coordination with local authorities and partners. This initiative highlights the importance of solidarity and long-term planning in the face of growing climate-related disasters. Thank you for watching.